Project health status report shows about the current health status of the project. Here is an example project ABC. This project overall health is shown through a flag which is red, amber, green. Green means on track, that means within budget, on schedule, scope in control. Amber, some issues, risks are there but manageable. Red, major issues, may impact on reaching deadlines, that may impact on budget. So immediate attention is required. Schedule status, 85% of this project completed and it's on schedule. Budget and cost status, we calculated planned versus actual spent. This project is within the budget. Scope status, we mention if there are any changes to the scope. Quality status shows the defect status, testing status, deliverables, quality feedback. Key milestones, we show here the status of the key milestones like completed, in progress, delayed. Achievements since last report, we mentioned key accomplishments here. Next steps, planned activities to complete in the coming days. Dependencies, internal or external dependencies that impact the delivery. You can also create charts to showcase the important areas in visual format. Project risk status, also we call it as risk register. This is the most important document for the Scrum Master. This focuses on identifying, collecting, tracking and mitigating the risks. Risk register can contain different categories of items like issues, concerns, risks, dependencies. Risk register contains the key columns like risk ID, risk title, risk description, identified date, category, rating, critical, high, medium, low, status of the risk, who is the owner of the risk, what is the action plan to resolve. It contains history of actions with dates and the date risk is closed. You can discuss the critical and high risks in senior leadership meetings and can have short meetings anytime with relevant cross-functional teams to discuss the risks of any rating.